Hi, this is Judy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a little bit about my discovery with the Stampin' Up stamp sets. I followed the directions, and they have all the directions right here on the stamp sets. I'm new to these, so that's why I wanted to do a video about it. And it shows you how to do all of that. I have found that it's a little bit easier. These are the red rubber stamps. The photopolymers don't have this process. To take them and leave them in their form here and just peel off the protective cover. And then you're going to take the image here to place over this off of the carrier sheet that it's on. And if I can get it off, they are little die cut stickers. Okay, they're cling for your mats or to put on your blocks, and it's going to go like that, but it has a protective cover on it, so you need to peel that off first. And these are they are sticky both sides, and this is really sticky, so you need to make sure you have it lined up correctly. And leaving it in this carrier sheet like this is a little bit easier for me to figure out where it should go. So carefully just line it up like that and then place it down. And because the rest of this is stuck in there, it's a form-fitting idea. And then you can pop it out and stick it on your block like that. So it's good. And it'll stick on there too. So I will go ahead and just follow that for all of these until they're all done. And it's easy to figure out which ones are which. And the backer has a little cut in it, so it's easy to peel, which is really nice. I know I've heard from several people that they don't like to have to do this, but you know, if it reduces the cost, it's okay. I remember when I had to cut out the red rubber with scissors. So I had to have the big scissors and then cut out the red rubber and stick on the back. And oh yeah, so this has come a long way. So it's not that hard. It just takes a minute. It's a little careful, precise planning. And then they're good to go. And the red rubber is actually much more durable than the photopolymer stamps. However, you can't see through them. So, you know, there's pros and cons to everything, right? So, and once I get this done, then I will have the stamp set ready to go. And I also got the die cuts to go with it, so I will get the die cuts out and put it in the stamp set case so that everything is together. And I will get the die cuts out and show you those here. So look like this. I love this frame. It's really pretty. It's longer this way than a normal hexagon, but it's that hexagon shape. And I will trim this down. If it doesn't fit, it does fit in there. But some of them don't fit, so I will just trim down the cardboard and put it in there. Eventually, they'll all come off the cardboard. Right now, there's a strip of tape that's sticking to. And then they'll all be together and ready to go. So don't be afraid to get these stamps. They're not hard to put together, just a little finagly, and but much doable. Okay, very doable, I should say. So have a good night. Thanks.